help me? I'm trying to find a way to Central Park.
Of course, you're actually pretty close. Do you see the big intersection ahead?
I see it. Should I go straight ahead or take a turn?
When you reach the intersection, you'll need to take a left. After that, it's about 10 minutes walk.
Right. So I take a left at the intersection. Are there any landmarks I should watch for?
Yes, after you turn left, you'll see a street vendor on your left. Keep walking past them.
Got it. And after passing the street vendors, do I just keep going straight?
Exactly. Keep walking until you see the Japanese gate. The entrance to the park is just beyond the Japanese gate.
Okay, that sounds straightforward. Is the path well lit? I might get there as it's getting dark.
Don't worry, it's a safe area and very plus there are usually people around the park entrance.
That's reassuring. By the way, do you know if there is a restroom near the entrance?
Yes, there's a small building just inside the park. To the right of the entrance, you'll find restroom there.
Perfect. One last thing. Is there a shortcut I could take? Or is this the best route?
There is a smaller alley a few blocks before the intersection, but it's a bit tricky to navigate, and I would not recommend it if you were new to the area.
Alright, I'll stick to the main road then. Thanks for the tip. Do you think I will need to cross any busy streets?
You only cross one, which is the intersection. Try to turn left, just use the crosswalk, and you will be fine.
Great. I really appreciate your help. How long did you say the walk was again?
From here, it should take you about 15 minutes, maybe a bit more if you stop about the way.
That's manageable. Thank you so much for taking time to explain.
No problem. At all, do you need a ride?
Thanks. It will help me a lot.
Gampang ngaku-ngaku bawa duit dari ono mangewu masang kartu 5 lah kok kartune telu ngombe banyu udan malah marahi kartu melu pasang lampu tempel lah kok malah ketemu tahu warga warga kodak sama dua yang terliwana mencoba itu kalau mau yo yo awak ewes menti yo laneng sargap kok malah dadi buyer delok wedokan kono kok kader-kader langkahnya irang tur marange bededek dhewe bater ngarep COD sapi mampir tuku kopi ning ngarep kantor polisi aku golek lawu yo wis datang 10 ucap rada empuk tapi tetep pengen ikut susah sungguh kok iso tekan sore kancaku reseng malah temong gowo lose aku bingung kowe bingung kabeh bingung dadi suhu telah garing rasane koyo lagi dibulung aku bingung kowe bingung kabeh bingung dadi suhu telah garing rasane koyo lagi dibulung aku bingung kowe bingung kabeh bingung dadi suhu telah garing rasane koyo lagi dibulung aku bingung kowe bingung kabeh bingung dadi suhu telah garing rasane koyo lagi dibulung.
Enjoy the park. It's beautiful, especially in evening.
Yes, you're right. Thank you for your help all this time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Prasetya Hermawan. I will presentation about gerund. Next slide. Definition gerund. Gerund are verbs that are changed into nouns by adding the ending ing. Gerund are usually used as the subject of sentence, the object, or the object of a preposition in a sentence. Next slide. Structure. Structure gerund. The gerund structure is a verb with the ending ing added. For example, of gerund are running, swimming, or reading. Next slide. Gerund versus infinitive. Number 1, gerund. Gerund are verbs that are changed into nouns by adding the ending ing. For example, keep to keeping, mind to minding, miss to missing. Number 2, infinitive. Infinitive are the basic form of verb which usually start with to. For example, agree, to agree, choose, to choose, manage, to manage. Okay, next slide. Peruse use of gerund. Number 1, as a subject of a sentence. Gerund can be used as the subject of sentence and also as a gerund. Number 2, as an object. Gerund can be used as object in sentence. The position of gerund as an object is generally after the verb. Number 3, as an object complement. This object complement means a word that complete a linking verb. The role of the gerund here is to complete a sentence. And number 4, as a noun clarify. Another use of gerund is to describe noun. The point is to find out the function of the noun itself. Next slide. Gerund sentence example. Number 1, my mother is busy preparing our lunch. Number 2, Nichkhun and Victoria discuss opening a restaurant together. Number 3, you should stop smoking cigarettes. Number 4, you should get going now or you'll be late. Number 5, she won't mind doing all the dishes. Next slide. Exercise. Look at the sentence below. Which sentence contains gerund? What is the answer? The answer is B. B. Do you also love swimming? Why B? The answer is next slide. Answer B, because the first we have to see which sentence contain verb plus ing. Clearly, A is not the answer. Then, we need to see which sentence use verb plus ing as a gerund that can replace noun. It turned out that sentence in option C, D, and E contain verb plus ing that are purely used as verb, not as substitutes for nouns. So, the correct answer is B. Next slide. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next slide. Exercise. Look at the sentence below. Which sentence contain gerund? What is the answer? The answer is B. B is, do you also love swimming? Why B? The